Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here we want to find the value of a times b times c, where a plus b plus c equals 6, a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 14, and a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals 36. The difficulty level of this question is hard, and it's been shown here by this red color, and I'm using this code for you to make it easier for you to browse among the videos and find those videos which are more interesting and suitable. Alright, so let's see how should we solve this. To solve this problem, I would use identity for sum of squares and identity for sum of cubes. Let's start with the identity for sum of squares. If I use identity for sum of squares, it says a squared plus b squared plus c squared. This equals a plus b plus c squared minus 2 times a times b plus b times c plus a times c. Okay. Now I replace the value for the terms that we have. So this one we know this equals 14. This one equals 6, and this is a plus b plus c to the power of 2. So this is 6 squared minus 2 times a times b plus b times c plus a times c. Okay. And if I rearrange this, then I'll get a times b plus b times c plus a times c equals 36, because that's 6 to the power of 2, minus 14 divided by 2. Okay, and this gives us 11. That means a times b plus b times c plus a times c equals 11. I'll use this later when I apply the identity for sum of cubes. Okay, so let's continue. It's time to use the identity for sum of cubes, which says, maybe I can write it here. It says a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals a plus b plus c times a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus a times b plus a times c plus b times c plus 3 times a times b times c. Now, again, I can replace this term by 36, because we have already seen this, that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equals 36. This equals, okay, this part equals 6. So 6 times this part equals 14. And this, we already solved that, and we know this equals 11. Then we have 3 times a times b times c. And we know that this part equals 3. So it's basically saying that 36 equals 6 times 3 plus 3 times a times b times c. And if I rearrange this, it will give me a times b times c equals 36 minus 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Okay, so this is the value of a times b times c, which means this is the right answer.